Princess Lorraine Revita, ngayong araw na ito, bibigay ko ang aking puso, pangako ko, na maglalakbay tayo na hawak ang ating mga kamay patungo sa ating mga lalakbay.
I used to live in the past, trying to look for something, or should I say someone, like what or who I had before.
You make me feel like the stars fell from the sky and rested within me. And I'm living proof that a heart can swell to the size of a galaxy. I'm bruised from running down the miles I shake, but it's this ball of fire, I swear. It trembles in my bones, 'cause you're my star.
Ngayong araw na ito, muli tayong pagkasamahin at hindi lang ako nangangako sa iyo Mami, pati sa harap ng mga tao dito, higit sa lahat sa ating Panginoon. Alam nang nasa itaas na mahal kita. My mo, my mommy, and my wife.
I will be your forever source of love and strength. Salamat, maraming salamat sa lahat. And as your wife, I will be forever yours. I love you so much from head to toe, day and night. Ay ayatan ka, aldaw gana rabii, ulom gana sakam.
From the sky and rested within me. My fingertips could reach to the dark to keep you company. 'Cause you're my star. You're my star. You're my star. Take me home, take me home.